Hello everyone and welcome back to the series where I'm trying to make the best Garou edit ever. So right now what we did in the last two episodes was get the footage, choose the song, cut the footage and put their effects and transitions. So I think we have that done for now. And now in today's episode we're gonna finish the other part of this edit with some manga footage. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I got a bunch of manga pictures and now just put them in. Okay, so I put here most of the manga that I have, and I'll put some, more to finish this in the next episode. But right now I want this to be, as smooth as the other part, so put there more transitions and cool effects and stuff because right now it looks like this. Alright, so let's see. I'd keep this the same, but put there some effects on it. So I think I'll put the astral effect. Alright, and put it here. And maybe I'll put there some transition as well. So let's put there again. If we go to blur and let's say we're gonna put there whoosh, cause why not? Okay. Alright, so I feel like whoosh is like just the perfect transition for everything, so let's slap it there. I'll probably change them later for different transitions, but for now I want there the whoosh. I still don't know how it's pronounced correctly, but hopefully it's whoosh. Okay, I need to make mostly this part smooth, because I have to make mostly this part smooth, because, there's manga here. And here it's just randomly, colorful again. And especially, moving, because manga doesn't move unless it's an animated GIF like this one. So really all what I was doing is just putting there the same transition and trying to figure out the problem how to put there, a smooth transition between anime and manga, but it all worked out. And the second thing I was trying to figure out is how to make the pictures, fit the beat of the music. But I also figured that out. So that's good, but nothing important really happened. Alright, that's nice. So let's put some more effects here. We have all the transitions. Now we just need some effects, okay? So let's get to it. So if you want to know some good effects, then it's flickery shot, chroma zoom, and astral. Flickery shot, it gives it like this little moving animations similar to shake. Chroma zoom makes that out of everything, the same thing but colorful comes out. Like if your soul would get out of you, and astral makes the same, but it's cooler. And it doesn't have colors. Okay, so I think what would be cool in here. Oh wait, no. Okay, this is okay. I know how to do this. Edit. No. Why can't I reverse? Why? Come on. Wait, what did I do? Please. Just let me reverse it. No. Okay, so how am I gonna do this? Oh, no! I thought I outsmarted it. Put this on top of it. Okay, good. What's the bit I need? This one. I will make it reverse, this whole thing. Somehow. How can I reverse it? Oh god. Alright, so I think the reason why I cannot reverse it is because it's a GIF, or you know, I can't do it on pictures either. But if I go here, over on a video, you know, MP4, it works. So I came to the answer that I will record the GIF. Alright, I cut it out. So now I'll just right on top of it. Oh, it reversed the whole clip. Never mind. Bam, and this will reverse. Easy. I think that should be alright. Alright. Nice, great. So I think this is it for today's video. So now I will show you how it looked before and how does it look now. So enjoy.